Hey everyone, welcome back to DollarVest, your go-to channel for simple money and investing tips. Today, we're answering a big question. Can I really start investing with just $100? The answer is yes, and I'll show you exactly how. Let's get started. Section 1: Mindset first. Before we talk about apps or stocks, let's talk about your mindset. Most people think you need thousands of dollars to invest. But the truth is, it's not about how much you start with. It's about getting started early and being consistent. Think of your first $100 as a seed. You're not trying to get rich overnight. You're learning how to grow wealth over time. Remember, investing is not gambling. It's a long-term game. Section 2: Set your goal. Now ask yourself, what's your goal? Do you want to grow money for retirement? Buying a home? A future vacation? Or just learn the basics? Your goal helps you decide where and how to invest. Even with $100, goal setting matters. Tip: write down a simple goal like, I want to turn $100 into $1,000 over time. Or, I want to learn investing with small amounts every month. Section 3: Pick the right investment platform. Now it's time to choose a platform. Here are 3 great apps for US beginners. 1. Robinhood, simple and user-friendly. No commission fees. 2. Fidelity, trusted brand, no minimums, great for long-term. 3. Schwab, great for beginners, offers fractional shares. All these platforms let you start with $1 or less. So your $100 can go a long way. Just download the app, sign up, and connect your bank. Takes just a few minutes. Section 4: What to invest in. You've got $100 ready. Now what do you buy? Here are 3 smart options for beginners. 1. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Example, VO or SPY. These are like baskets of top US companies, safer and diversified. You're buying a little piece of many companies at once. 2. Fractional shares. Can't afford one full share of Amazon or Google? No problem. You can buy a small part of it with $5 or $10. 3. Robo-advisors. Apps like Betterment or Wealthfront will invest your $100 for you, based on your risk level. It's automatic and beginner-friendly. Section 5: Don't forget these tips. Here are 4 golden rules to follow when investing with $100. Start small, but think long-term. Even $100 can grow big with time and consistency. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out. Don't chase trending stocks or crypto just because others are doing it. Invest regularly. After your first $100, try to add $20, $50, or even $10 every month. Educate yourself. Watch videos, read blogs, and keep learning. The more you know, the better your decisions. Section 6: What not to do. Don't invest your emergency money. If you need this money in the next few weeks, keep it in savings, not stocks. Don't expect fast results. Real investing takes time. Be patient and consistent. Don't panic when markets go down. It's normal. Even the best investors see ups and downs. That's it. Now you know how to start investing with just $100. The most important step? Just begin. Don't wait for the perfect time. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe to DollarVest for more beginner-friendly money tips. Comment below. What's the first thing you'll invest your $100 in? Thanks for watching, and remember, your future starts with one small step today.